Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today I have this here, Briwat. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this here, I guess you guys maybe recognize it. This is the first time I tried this and this is how it turned out. So if you guys want to know how I did this, then stay tuned. Like this video if you are enjoying the Ramadan challenge, the cooking challenge, me doing cooking videos in general. And also make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on the rest of the other cooking videos. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to use 2 onions and 3 pieces of garlic. I'm going to use my amazing mixer. I love this one so much. It's a big change. It goes so much faster and your hands will still smell normal. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons, around 2 teaspoons, or no, sorry, just big spoons of olive oil in this pan. And then I'm going to add the mixture of the garlic and the onion. I'm going to make sure it gets a little bit brown. And then I'm going to add my chicken. I'm going to mix everything together. I'm going to bake this for like 2 to 3 minutes together. And then I'm going to cut or chop, make the coriander and parsley small. And also that I'm going to add into the mixture of everything. At this point, everything started to smell already so good. I'm editing this while fasting, so I'm getting really hungry. Mixing everything. And then I'm also going to add some spices, or how you call that, just some salt. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and a half teaspoon of black pepper. Going to mix everything together. Now everything is going to look or have a nice color, and it's going to smell so good. I'm going to add 200 ml of warm water. Mix everything, and then I'm going to close it. I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to create, or oh my god, my brain. I'm going to start making the mixture for the cheese Briwat. I don't know if I pronounced that right. I made these especially for my mother because she's vegetarian. She does eat chicken, or oh no, absolutely not. I just see the chicken, so I said chicken. But she eats cheese, and yeah, those kind of things, milk, everything. So she's not vegan. And I'm going to use goat cheese for this. Going to add some salt and black pepper. And I'm going to mix everything together with using my spoon. I'm going to be honest that I started to use my hands after because it was really hard with a spoon. It took way too long. So now I'm going to put the chicken on a plate. Make sure it's cool because it's going to hurt your hands. And I left the liquid, the juice, in the pan. I'm going to add 2 eggs, and I'm going to mix everything until it starts to be a little bit like this, like a little bit white. Then it's time to add the chicken that I made really small, and then mixing everything together. And now you have a good mixture which is going to stick together to put it into the Briwats, or I don't know how I pronounce it. Sorry, I should not say all the time, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm going to use this, I don't know what the name is, phyllo or physo, viso da. And what I've used to top it, I've used butter mixed with sunflower oil. I'm going to put all the meat in this one corner, really tight to this one corner, and then I'm going to, yeah, do this. I don't know how I'm going to explain this. Flick it to the right, flick it to the left. And make sure my friends, I was calling with her. She was telling me to add a lot of butter on top of it so that it will taste a lot better, less dry. So I think you should just do what you like the most, because the recipe that I saw on the internet, they would barely apply butter on top of it. So I'm going to try that the next time. But yeah, she told me it would be less dry and everything, so that was really nice. Yeah, and then basically I'm doing this the whole time, and I have to say that I'm really proud of how I did the first time. I think I can do better, of course, because they are not perfect, but you know, they tasted really good. So showing you just a few times how I did this, and I have to say that by doing it, you will get better. So this one looks really good. Then I'm going to put it into the oven at 180 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. I put it on 30 minutes, but I needed to put it in a little bit longer. So I ended up having it in there for like 45 minutes. And now the same thing for the cheese. And that's it for this Briwat try. I really enjoyed making this. Iftar is actually in like Skena, how long? Her brain is also not working anymore. In 20 minutes, so we can start eating this in 20 minutes. I'm really excited because it smells so good, and I think it is also really good. Let me know what you guys think of how I did my first time. Yeah, what can I tell you guys more? If you have any questions, then make sure to put them in the comments down below. Make sure to like this video, turn on the notification bell, follow me on all my social media platforms, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow.